hope you're having a great weekend, and I hope you're still setting time aside for studying, because the weekend is the most important part in trading. You're able to build your strategies and refine what you've learned. So today I have something, as you may know, my channel is focused on stocks as well as products I like to use during my trading day and that I incorporate into my trading setup. So today I'll be unboxing and reviewing what I think is the best keyboard for trading. I hope you enjoy.
Here is the Logitech K480 multi-device keyboard. And I'm going to do an unboxing, and I'm also going to go over why I think it's the best keyboard for trading. So here we go. So first thing that you get is keyboard, and it's wrapped in a nice plastic here. Manual, nothing else in the box. I'm gonna end up breaking this before I use it, but it comes with it's a very firm plastic, nice and sturdy. It has a phone holder and tablet holder here. You can put your phone in there and use it to type. And what I love about this keyboard is here it connects to your PC or Mac by Bluetooth, and it also includes the Mac buttons, the command button, as well as the start menu button for the PC when it's connected to PC. Also, why I think this is the best keyboard for trading is it has a selection knob right here for device 1, and you pair that Bluetooth device, then you switch over to device 2 and you can pair with that device and device 3, and then all you have to do while you're using the keyboard is switch to the device real quick. It'll take like 2 seconds to connect, and then you continue on with your typing. So that's why I think it's great for trading. You can, if you use your phone to send messages or view social media, you could put it right here. You could connect to your PC and then connect to your laptop if you want, or if you use a tablet, stuff like that. I personally use it for one, as my primary PC, which I use for my trading platform, as well as my like charting and brokerages. And then my PC 2 is usually my laptop, my MacBook, and I use that for chat rooms and stuff. And then 3, I'll assign my second laptop, or even if I'm using a tablet if I'm traveling. So that's why I love this keyboard for trading. And flip it over real quick. Here's the on-off button, and it comes with a battery compartment, which, wow, it comes already with batteries. As you can see, it is a AAA battery, and it says that this should last about 38 weeks. I forgot how much. I'm going to double check real quick. So even better than I thought. As we can see here, keyboard features have a 24-month battery life, and that does have a little asterisk there. It depends on how you use it and how many devices it's connected to, etc., stuff like that. But I'm personally very satisfied with this product. I currently have this keyboard already, and I just got this new one, so I could do the unboxing, but also I have one at home now and this one in my dorm. So this keyboard, it's overall, I love how it connects to those 3 devices, and also the typing, it has a very mechanical typing sound. So many people look for that in their keyboards. I like that personally. It lets you know when you actually tap the key rather than just grazing over it. So I love this keyboard, and it does what it needs to do. Very sturdy. I haven't really run out of battery on my other one in, like, I don't even know, since I got it basically. And yeah, I haven't had it for more than 2 years, so it makes sense that 24-month battery life, and it's lasted that long. So I hope this gave you a better understanding of this keyboard and why it applies to us traders.
So this is the keyboard that I've been using for over 2 years now, and so far it's very durable, reliable. I haven't had any issues with it. It hasn't disconnected, stuff like that. I've even dropped it a few times and no buttons flew off or anything like that. But one thing I did, because I'm like on the go and stuff, sliding this in and out of your backpack, the battery cover tends to slide out sometimes, so I just put a piece of tape on that. It kept it secure, and you shut it off, just slide it in the bag, and it's ready to go. That's what I really like about this. And also, the fact that it connects to 3 different devices, this really fits my needs, and this is what I'm looking for in my everyday trading. And even if you're not trading, if you just use multiple devices throughout your day, you can text, you can just use it for many different things. And by the way, also, I'm not compensated in any way to review these products. I just feel that this is a great product. I use it every day and I don't have any complaints. So if you guys want to try it out, go for it. I love it. Also, if you guys are interested in multi-device products, I also have this mouse. It connects to 3 different devices, and it's from Logitech as well. If you guys are interested in learning more about it, leave a comment. I'll definitely do a video about that if you're interested. And besides that, thank you and have a great day. Hello everyone. I forgot the intro. Okay, that's good.